Anyone who's spent time in sales knows about upselling. It's basically the art of persuading a customer to buy something additional or more expensive. Customers find a better version of what they already want, or something that makes their purchase more complete. As a result, they buy more, which is why it's one of the few ways to boost revenue without bringing in more traffic. That's where Upsell.com really earns its place. It fits into your Shopify store without getting in the way and helps increase the value of each order. It's the #1 upsell app on Shopify, with over 45,000 stores using it and more than 2,500 5-star reviews behind it. So let us show you how Upsell works and how it can bring more sales to your business. To get this ball rolling, the first thing we've got to do is get Upsell.com installed on your site. Now, keep in mind that this tool is built specifically for Shopify, so you're going to need a Shopify store up and running. Once you have your store and your developer account ready, the process is pretty straightforward. You'll head over to Upsell.com and hit that install button. It takes just a moment to sync up with your store's data. Once that installation wraps up, you'll be automatically redirected right into the Upsell.com dashboard. This is where the actual work starts, and we can begin setting up the entire upselling flow that's going to work wonders for your bottom line. So here comes the actual setup process. The setup is basically divided into 2 core sections: upselling before the customer buys and upselling after they've made the sale. To be more specific, we have a total of 7 pages to configure to get the maximum effect. Let's tackle them one after another so you can see exactly how it works. First up is the product page. This is where it all starts. From here, we're going to configure product recommendations that appear right on the current product page. You start by fixing a maximum discount rate that you're comfortable with. Then you select the specific widget style you want to display on your product page. Once you've picked that, we head into the editor to configure everything and see it happening in real time. You'll notice that right under the main product, another recommended product is showcasing at a discounted rate as a widget. After you click save, your product page setup is ready to go. So every time a customer clicks on a product page to check something out, they're going to see more relevant products at a discounted price, which is naturally going to encourage them to add more to their bundle. So that was about the product page. In the same way, we'll configure every page to ensure we aren't leaving any money on the table. The next one is the cart page. This is crucial because it helps you show discounted products right when people have added something to their cart and are reviewing their order. We'll go in, choose our widget, and place it where it's most visible. The goal here is to catch them while their intent is high, but before they commit to checkout. Then comes the cart drawer page. Now, this is a favorite for many modern stores. Every time your customer clicks the cart drawer to peek at their items, they'll see discounted products sitting right there, tempting them. It feels very native to the shopping experience, which is exactly what we want. Moving right along, we've got the checkout page setup. Now, it's worth mentioning that checkout upsells are exclusive for Shopify Plus Store. We can configure a subtle upsell that appears just as they're entering their details. It has to be non-intrusive, so we'll set up a small add-on product that they can add with a single tick. We'll save that and move on. Consequently, we'll set up the post-purchase page. This is arguably the most powerful feature. Upsell allows you to add up to 2 one-click upsell pages, not only one. The customer has already paid, and now we hit them with an offer they can't refuse, which they can add instantly. We'll enter the select a high-margin item and set a timer to create a bit of urgency. The output result shows a clean, dedicated page asking if they want to add this last item to their existing order. Next is the thank you page setup. Even after the sale is totally done, we aren't finished. On the thank you page, where they see their order confirmation, we can display a pop-up or a banner with a discount for their next order, or perhaps a product they missed. Finally, we have the order status page setup. This is the page customers bookmark and check repeatedly to see where their package is. So after setting all the pages up, let's see how they actually work. Upsell.com allows you to segment your offers so you can always show the right product at the right time. On top of that, you can do A/B testing with your offers to see which one looks more lucrative, which is a cherry on top. Now is the time to see everything happen in a live scenario. We're going to do a full demonstration of product purchasing to show you how these discounted recommendations actually intrigue customers to buy more. So let's say we're a customer. We land on a product page for a snowboard. Immediately, we see a widget offering specialized product at big cutoff. We think, why not? And add them. That's the product page upsell working. Then we go to My Cart. As we're reviewing the selected products, the cart page shows us more at bigger discounts. It makes sense, so we add that too. That's the cart page setup in action. Now we proceed to checkout. The checkout page setup runs smoothly, but that's really not the end. We complete the purchase. Suddenly, the post-purchase page appears offering a matching product for an even better price. Since we don't have to re-enter our credit card info, we just click Add to Order. Finally, we land on the thank you page, which gives us a coupon for next time, and later when we check our order status, we see more gear we might want later. This flow demonstrates perfectly how a single pair of products turned into a massive order with multiple items, all thanks to that strategic upselling flow. If more and more customers do that again and again, can you imagine how fast your sales is going to grow? All right, so it's time to switch gears and look at the back end. We're going to show you how the dashboard helps to get real numbers to see the growth in sales. Right down the dashboard, you're greeted with a beautiful array of analytics. It shows you exactly how much revenue was generated purely from the upsells we just set up. You can see the conversion rate for each funnel, product page, cart, post-purchase, and so on. This allows you to see which offers are working and which ones might need a tweak. It gives you raw, authentic data on your return on investment, which shows you the exact dollar amount added to your total sales. It's incredibly empowering to see those numbers climb day by day. To wrap this up, if you're running a Shopify store, you absolutely need Upsell.com. It simplifies the entire process of increasing your customer's basket size without being pushy. With its smooth integration, massive user base of over 45,000 merchants, and proven results, it's a no-brainer. Don't leave money on the table. Go install Upsell.com today and configure these 7 pages and watch your revenue grow. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get more videos like this.